Students, welcome to Sound Standard English. Today we are going to learn about the topic Voice Part 2, book page number 45. Past tense. Past tense la irukka active voice eppadi passive voice la change pannanonu paaka porom. Simple past tense form of the verb. Example, Kavitha sang a song. அதோட verb வந்து was, were, PP past participle. Past tense ல இருக்கக்கூடிய verb வந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், passive voice ல change பண்ணும்போது past participle ல change பண்ணி write பண்ணணும். From the verb. Yes, song, sang past participle change பண்ணும்போது song. Yes, song was sung by Kavitha. Name. First ல இருக்கக்கூடிய name. Nameல முன்னால என்ன செய்யணும், by போட்டு என்ன செய்யணும், Kavitha. Sung by Kavitha. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense சொன்னாலே நமக்கு தெரிய வேண்டியது ing. verb கூட ing இருந்தாலே அது என்னது continuous tense. Was, were plus verb plus ing. verb கூட ing இருக்கும். அது வந்து past continuous tense. continuous tense எல்லாத்துக்குமே ing verbல இருக்கும். The choir group was singing ing. continuous tense. The prayer song. Passive voice form வந்து was, were, past participle was, were plus being ing. The ing continuous tense ல ing verb வந்து active voice ல இருக்கும்போது நம்ம அதை passive voice ல change பண்ணும்போது being, அந்த being கொடுத்து past participle கொடுக்கணும். ஓகே. எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து the prayer song was being sung, singing, sung, being ing க்கு being sung by the choir group. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense form, voice form வந்து had plus past participle form of the verb. You had sung the national anthem. Had been past participle. The national anthem நம்ம லாஸ்ட்ல இருந்து தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்யணும், ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். The national anthem. The national anthem had been sung by you. By you. Past perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense இருந்தாலும் சரி, எந்த continuous tense இருந்தாலும் verb form வந்து ing. Had been plus verb plus ing. I had been singing a song. ing. அப்ப நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும், passive voice ல change பண்ணும்போது being. இது வந்து past perfect continuous tense. past perfect continuous tenseக்கு passive voice வந்து no passive form. passive form கிடையாது. Example, active voice, he kicked the ball. He kicked the ball. Passive voice change to passive voice. The ball was kicked by him. He வந்து என்ன எப்படி மாறி இருக்கு, சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு, him, by him. The ball was kicked by him. Non-violence was preached by Gandhiji. Gandhiji was preached non-violence. Gandhiji was preached non-violence. He was delivered the letters. The letter was ing. Delivering ing. அப்ப being delivered. Past participle ல change பண்ணும்போது delivered by him. He வந்து him change ஆகும். சரியா? The letter was being delivered by him. Rice had been boiled by him. Been வந்திருக்கு. Been வந்து past participle verb had boiled. He had boiled rice. The peon had already opened the gate. The gate had been already opened by the peon. Future tense voice form வந்து active voice ல இருக்கக்கூடியது passive voice ல change எப்படி change பண்ணணும்னு பார்ப்போம். Simple future tense voice form வந்து will, shall plus verb. Example, I shall drink a cup of tea. passive voice ல change பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யுங்க, a cup of tea shall be drank by me. drank by me. Voice form will, shall, future tense nale will, shall plus be plus past participle. A cup of tea shall be drank by me. I irukadhu change பண்ணும்போது me, by me. Future continuous tense ing form. Will, shall plus be plus verb plus ing. They will be drinking juice. They will be drinking juice. Drinking. இது வந்து future tenseல இருக்கக்கூடியதுக்கு voice form வந்து future continuous tenseக்கு voice form கிடையாது. அது அப்படியே தான் என்ன செய்யணும் ரைட் பண்ணணும். Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense will, shall have past participle from verb. Form of verb. The grandmother will have rose milk. Will, shall have plus been plus past participle. Rose milk will have been by the grandmother. Past perfect continuous tense will, shall plus have plus verb plus ing. Drank has been drinking a cup of milk. Past perfect continuous tense no form. Example active voice. I shall help you. You will help by me. You will help by me. me change ஆகும். இது வந்து future tenseல இருக்கிறதுனால தான் என்ன செய்யும் you will help by me. These sums will be done by her. She change ஆகும். She will done these sums. They will have repaired the road. They will have repaired the road. The road will have been repaired by them. By them. The police will have been informed by him. He will have informed the police. Page number 47. Change the following into possessive voice. Nalini was watching Leela. Watching ing form. Continuous tense. Past participle la kudukumbodhu watched. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி watched முன்னாடி being. Leela was being watched by Nalini. Children like sweet. Sweets are liked by children. Sweets are liked by children. He had composed a poem. Lastல இருந்து first start பண்ணனும். A poem had been composed by him. A poem had been composed by him. Next week we shall write the examination. Lastல இருந்து start பண்ணும்போது the examination will be. Next week future tense. The examination will be written by the next week. The policeman had caught the thief. The thief had been caught by the police. Caught by the police. The thief had been caught by the police. Change பண்ணும்போது last name வரும்போது the by the name கொடுக்கணும். He வரும்போது by him. They வந்தா by them. I வந்தா by me. We வந்தா by us. Okay. We shall paint the picture on the wall. The picture should be painted on the wall by us. The picture should be painted on the wall by us. The ministers greeted the chief minister at the airport. The chief minister was greeted by the minister at the airport. She was washing the cloth and ironing them in the room. The cloth was being washed, ironed by her in the room. He made a remarkable discovery. He made a remarkable discovery. A remarkable discovery was made by him. They were conducting a World Cup tournament. The World Cup tournament was being conducted by them. Change the following into active voice. The award will be given by the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister will give the award. The examination was being written by the students. The students were writing the examination. The examination was being written by the students. The students were writing the examination. Order are being dispatched by the office today. The office is dispatching orders today. The office is dispatching orders today. Christmas is celebrated with gaiety all over the world by the people. All over the world, people celebrate Christmas with gaiety. The plan has been executed carefully by James. They have, James போட்டாலும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, they have போட்டாலும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. They have executed by the plan carefully. The letters have been posted by Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi has posted the letter. The photographer is continuously taken the pictures. The pictures are being continuously taken by the photograph. Rare trees were planted by the government. The government were planted rare trees. I have eaten a mango. A mango has been eaten by me. 1000 internet connections will be given at the end of this year by the board. They will give 1000 internet connections at the end of this year. Thank you, students.